Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best GATE coaching in your city Nagpur? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 6 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city Nagpur. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the topic. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the most finest and one of the most leading coaching center in the education sector. It provides best online coaching, which is definitely a need of the hour in this pandemic situation. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. So you should definitely connect to the institute once, as it is our rank 1 institute and provides best coaching. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone is a great and best platform for preparation of NEET. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A counseling session will be provided to the students, and that too completely free of cost. Hence, students can ask their queries with expert mentors regarding which institute will be best fit for them according to their course. Therefore, it is a great platform and opportunity for the students who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call the Hindu Zone Institute. It will definitely be helpful. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have ICE GATE Coaching in Nagpur. ICE GATE Coaching is one of the best GATE coachings in Nagpur. So, let's discuss the key features of ICE GATE Coaching. Number 1. In Nagpur, ICE GATE Coaching trains students from electrical, mechanical, civil, computer science and IT engineering background. Number 2. ICE GATE Coaching is known to be the best GATE coaching academy by the many students in Nagpur. Number 3. This GATE exam coaching center keeps on updating the coaching students for the government and PSU exam as well as along with the GATE teachings. At last, 25,000 plus GATE and PSU government exam aspirants have taken coaching from ICE GATE Coaching in Nagpur. Now let's discuss some of the courses offered by ICE GATE Coaching. Number 1. ICE GATE Coaching offers super long term course and its duration is 2 years. Number 2. Long-term GATE PSU exam course is offered by the institute and its duration is 1.5 years. Number 3. Regular GATE IES course and its duration is 6 to 8 months. Now, let's discuss the address, phone number and the website of the institute. So, the address of ICE GATE Coaching includes near Water Tank, ICE 83, Hilltop Layout, Ramnagar, Nagpur, Maharashtra, and the pin code is 440010. The phone number of the institute includes 083-790-72716 and the website is www.icegateinstitute.com. Okay, at rank 4, we have the GATE Academy in Nagpur. GATE Academy is one of the best institute for GATE coaching in Nagpur. Preparation of the GATE exam with GATE Academy in Nagpur has helped many students from Nagpur, Maharashtra. Now let us discuss some of the key features of joining GATE Academy. Number 1. This academy provides 1200 plus hours of live classes, recorded GATE exam/PSU lectures. Number 2. The GATE Academy provides booklet, mock test series, online e-lectures. Number 3. This institute provides practice tests, e-lecture, regular assignments and so on. Number 4. The GATE Academy also provides on your Android SD card, practice lecture, e-lecture, weekly assignments. So you can use it anywhere, anytime. Now let us move towards discussing the courses offered by the GATE Academy. The very first is GATE Academy provides home GATE course, that is, prepare for GATE from your home. Number 2, GATE Academy also offers correspondence course for GATE PSU preparation. Number 3, this coaching also provides USB GATE course, that is, prepare for GATE anytime, anywhere with your USB. At last, they also provide online courses for GATE and PSU preparation. The address of GATE Academy includes 2nd floor Ojas Star, WICT Road besides Batukabi Jewelers, Dharmapet, Nagpur, Maharashtra. The contact number of the institute is 0712 66155156 and the website of the institute includes www.thegateacademy.com. At rank 5, we have GATE Forum Coaching in Nagpur. So, let's discuss the key features of joining GATE Forum Coaching in Nagpur. The very first is, this coaching provides comprehensive GATE course which helps students to cover entire spectrum of GATE preparation such as concept building. Number 2, there is 400 plus hours of live online classes covering the complete GATE syllabus. Number 3, access to view missed classes under video on demand section. Number 4, they also provide live doubt clarification sessions on a fixed schedule. Number 5, chat-based interaction with faculties. At last, follows a 45-15 teaching structure for every 1 hour of class, 40 minutes of lecture, 5 minutes break, followed by 15 minutes of question and answer session. So this is the pattern followed by GATE Forum Coaching. Now let's move and discuss the courses offered by the institute. The very first is, GATE Forum GATE Coaching provides IES online course which is designed for IES prelims aspirant. Number 2, this coaching also provides complete online assessment module for GATE. And at last, it also offers e-learning program for GATE and PSU preparation. The address of the institute is 280 Radhakrishna Apartments near Lakshmi Nagar Square, WICT Road, Nagpur, Maharashtra 440010. The contact number of the institute includes 07767 001955 and the website of the institute is www.gateforum.com. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 6th institute, is ProGate Coaching in Nagpur. ProGate Coaching for the GATE and PSU exam preparation is very famous in Nagpur. So let's discuss its key features. The very first is, this GATE coaching center in Nagpur is number 1 for online and classroom GATE exam preparation. Number 2, ProGate Coaching is having top GATE/PSU exam faculties. Number 3, they also have 300 plus IIT IASC GATE toppers. Number 4, the institute provides 1500 plus questions for practice in their regular classroom program. And at last, ProGate Coaching in Nagpur develops the question solving ability in fast-paced manner within its GATE exam coaching students. Now, let's discuss some of the courses offered by the institute. The very first is, ProGate Academy provide 100 plus tests, which is equal to best GATE preparation. Number 2, ProGate Academy also provides 350 to 400 hours of classroom learning, and at last also offers high quality infinite practice tests. The address of the institute is ProGate Coaching, first floor, plot number 32, Savarkar Nagar, opposite Orange City Hospital near Lotus Grand Restaurant, Khamla Nagar, Nagpur, Maharashtra 440015. The contact number of the institute is 088066648283 and the website of the institute includes www.progatecoaching.com. So friends, these were our top 6 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city, Nagpur. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.